Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Paul Sample. In this video, I'm going to show you and share the top 5 winning products that you can start selling right now on your Shopify Dropshipping store or e-commerce website. If you want to learn more about this, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. Let us Number 1 winning product is this product. It's called metal phone holder stand. It solves people's problems because many people are still working at home and can't hold their phones on their hands for a long time. As most of the phones nowadays have larger batteries, that makes very, very tiresome to hold the phones for a long time. So this product solves people's problems, solves the pain. So if you sell this kind of product, also you'll get so many sales because it solves people's problems and eliminates pain, which is very, very important in business. So also this product is a winning product because it has got so many sales in the past few days. As you can see here, more than 9,000 sales. So this is a winning product because there's a proven here on AliExpress as it has got so many orders in the past few days. Also, the rating of this product is very good. It's 4.9 out of 5. What does it mean? This means that majority who have already bought this kind of product have been satisfied with the quality of this product. So you don't have to worry anything if you start selling this kind of product because there is evidence that shows that most of the customers that have already bought this kind of product have been satisfied with the quality of this product. Also, the seller offers free shipping if you are in the United States, as you can see here, but also in so many countries also provides free shipping. So you can dropship or buy and get this product wherever you are in the world. You don't have to be in the United States. You can be anywhere in the world. Still, the seller can ship this product to you or to your customer. So this also is the winning product that you should take into consideration. And the suggested price, you can sell up to $29 As you can see here, it is sold for almost $8 So you can sell up to $30 or $29 depending to your location and other factors. So the profit margin also is good. So you can start selling this kind of product right now. Another winning product is this product. It's called hair holder or hairpin. Also, this is a winning product, as you can see the number of sales that I'm going to show you right now. This is a winning product because it has got so many sales here on AliExpress. As you can see here, more than 6,000 orders in the past few months. So most are interested with this kind of product because it's attractive to women. So this also gives an impulse buy to the buyers. So if you sell this kind of product also, you'll get so many sales. As you can see, most women have been interested and satisfied with this kind of product. As you can see here, the rating also is 4.8 out of 5. That means that majority of bought this kind of product have been satisfied with the quality of this product. So once you start selling this kind of product, you don't have to worry about the quality because it has been proven here on AliExpress. Most of the buyers have been satisfied with the quality of this product. Also, the shipping is just $1 to United States, but the seller ships this kind of product all over the world. So you can get this product, or your buyer will get this product if you try to dropship anywhere in the world. So also it is affordable for most of the buyers. As you can see here, it is sold on $1.7 which is affordable to most of the buyers. Also, if you want to sell this kind of product, just target women, and you can find Instagram influencers on Instagram will promote and will start making sales instantly. So the best way to sell this kind of products is to use Instagram influencers. You'll get so many sales within. Number 3 winning product is this product called fish peeler or scraper. This is a winning product because it solves people's problems as it simplifies the work of cleaning the fish. So that's why it has got so many sales, because it solves people's problems. So you can verify here, as you can see here, more than 3,000 orders in the past few months, and the rating is very, very good, as most of the buyers have rated this kind of product 4.9, which is really, really impressive. So you don't have to worry about the quality of this product, because most of the buyers have been satisfied with this kind of product. So if you start selling on your store, also you'll get so many sales, because has a track record here of doing well here on AliExpress. So you don't have to worry. It means that majority also are interested in this kind of product. So they're just waiting you as a seller to start promoting this kind of product. And where can you promote this kind of product? You can promote using Facebook ads, or you can promote on Instagram, on Pinterest, and so forth. So the seller also offers free shipping to United States, but also this product can be delivered worldwide. The seller delivers this kind of product worldwide. So you can include in your store and the dropship anywhere in the world. Also, the price is affordable, so most of the buyers are going to buy this kind of product because it's only costs $3.7 US, and you can sell up to 20 or 15 to 20 US. Still, the profit margin is huge here. So number 4 product is this product. It's called measuring spoon. This is a winning product because it simplifies kitchen work. So it solves people's problems as it simplifies their kitchen work. So you can target women. Most of the women are going to buy this kind of product. And the best place to promote this kind of product will be Instagram and Facebook. So you will get so many people who are interested with this kind of product, and they will be willing to buy. And this product just costs, including free shipping, just $4 US. So $4 is affordable for most of the buyers, and you can sell this kind of product for $25 US, 15 to $25 US. So still you'll get so many customers. So depending to your location and other, you can be flexible to the kind of price that you want to charge, but I can recommend you can sell from $15 to $25 and you'll get so many customers who are willing to buy this kind of product, especially those who are dealing with cooking activities and so forth. So this is a winning product because also the rating is good, and most of the buyers that have bought this kind of product, as you can see, have rated 4.8, and this kind of product has more than almost 4,000 orders in the past few months. What does it mean? It means that there is a need out there, there is a market out there. That's why there are so many buyers who are interested in this kind of product. So you can promote this on Instagram and Facebook and get so many buyers within very few days. So another product that you should take into consideration and start selling right now is this product. It's called Adult Magic Clothes Folder. This is a very nice product and a winning product to start selling right now. Why? Because it solves people's problems and simplifies their activities. As you can see it here, it folds very well the clothes that simplifies the people's work. For example, instead of ironing every morning your clothes, you don't have to do that. So this solves people's problems. So this also is a winning product that we should start selling right now. And you can see it here. the rating is 4.8, so most of the buyers have been satisfied with this kind of product. So where can you promote this kind of product? You can promote this kind of product on Instagram and Facebook. These are best places that to promote this kind of products. So you can learn Facebook ads, and the preferable way to promote this kind of product is to use a video. A video is easier to persuade the customers than just photos. So just use a video, compose a video, or you can use even this video and promote using that video. More buyers will be interested to buy this kind of products. So